Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we are going to study SSC CHSL Geography MCQs from previous year, and this is part 4th video. Hope you all have watched part 1, 2, 3. Friends, please find the PDF link of today's session which is given in the description box. Friends, please join us on Telegram. This is our link. So without wasting time, let's start with the session. According to Indian Bureau of Mines Report 2018, which among the following is the largest mica producing state in India? Options are Bihar, Odisha, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh. Here the answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh is the largest mica producing state in India, and Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh is famous for its mica, nothing but crude production, and mica is largely produced by the states of Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar and Jharkhand. Moving on to next question. Which of the following mountain ranges is home to the second highest peak of the world, K2? Options are Pir Panjal Range, East Karakoram Range, Ladakh Range or Zanskar Range. So the correct answer is option B, East Karakoram Range. So K2 is the highest point of the Karakoram Range, and it is also the highest point in the both Pakistan and Xinjiang, and Karakoram is the second highest mountain range in the world. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following is a Japanese word that means harbor wave? The options are Nis, Jishin, Tide, Tsunami. So the correct answer is tsunami. So tsunami means harbor wave in Japanese. In the past, tsunamis were sometimes called tidal waves, and tsunamis are giant waves or rapid rises in sea level. The main cause of tsunamis are earthquakes that trigger sharp movements of the seafloor. Moving on to next question. Which mountains are on India's eastern border with Myanmar? Here the options are Satpura, Vindhya, Karakoram or Purvanchal. So the answer is option D, Purvanchal. Purvanchal mountain ranges are located at India's eastern border with Myanmar, and they are a sub-mountain range of the Himalayas in northeast India. They lie south of Brahmaputra Valley. Moving on to next question. Indira Sagar Dam, which is a concrete gravity dam, is located in which of the following state of India? Here the options are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh. So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Indira Sagar Dam is a dam located in Madhya Pradesh, and Indira Sagar Dam is situated on Narmada River. Moving on to next question. In which state is the Chamira hydroelectric project located? Options are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh or Punjab. So the answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Chamira hydroelectric project is located in Himachal Pradesh. It is located near the town of Dalhousie in the Chamba district. Moving on to next question. The scientific discipline concerned with the description of rock successions and their interpretation in terms of a general time scale is called. The options are paleontology, stratigraphy, mineralogy, or geodesy. So the correct answer is stratigraphy. The definition for remaining options are given here. Please take a look. Moving on to next question. In which state is Sambhar, the largest inland saltwater lake of India, located? The options are Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh or Rajasthan. Here the correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. The Sambar Salt Lake is the India's largest inland salt lake and it is located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. The lake receives water from 5 rivers. Those are Mehta, Samaud, Mantha, Rupanghar, Khari and Khandela. Moving on to next question. Which of the following states separate Nepal from Bhutan? The options are Bihar, Sikkim, Odisha or Assam. So the correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Indian state Sikkim separates Nepal from Bhutan. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. And Sikkim is also located close to India's Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. Moving on to next question. The Sunoli border is a famous transit point between India and Dash. The options are Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan or Bhutan. The correct answer is Nepal. The Sunoli border is a famous transit between India and Nepal. Sunoli is a town area in Maharajganj district of Uttar Pradesh. Sunoli is a traditional name given to the both countries. The Indian side is officially called Sunoli and Nepal side is Belahia. Moving on to next question. The Khurja pottery is associated with which state of India? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh or Himachal Pradesh. Here the answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Khurja pottery is associated with Uttar Pradesh. It also has a GI tag and it contains items made of clay, mainly crockery items. Moving on to next question. In the context of plate tectonic, which of the following statement is not correct? The options are Eurasian plate is largely an oceanic plate. The major tectonic plates are surrounded by young fold mountain ridges, trenches, or faults. Tectonic plates move horizontally over the asthenosphere. Earth's surface is divided into 7 major plates. From these 4 options, option A is incorrect about tectonic plates. That is, Eurasian plate is largely an oceanic plate. Moving on to next question. Which of the following statement about the Himalayan mountains is not correct? Here the options are the range lying to the immediate south of the Himadri is called Shivaliks. Option B, the Shivalik ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers. The core of the Himadri is made up of granite and its northernmost part is called Himadri. The answer is option A, which is not correct. The range lying to the immediate south of the Himadri is Himachal and to the immediate south of Himachal is Shivalik. Sri Lanka is situated off southeast coast of India across the Pak Strait and Gulf of. The options are Kutch, Mannar, Kambhat, Cambe. So the answer is option B, Mannar. Sri Lanka is an island country in South Asia. It is located in the Indian Ocean to the southwest of Bay of Bengal and to the southeast of Arabian Sea. It is situated off the southeast coast of India across the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Take care.